Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video that will surprise you at least. Let's see. They brought us a car so that we can change the front wheels. The client tells us that it is that he has noticed that some time ago the steering vibrates a lot and that he thinks it may be because they have somewhere, you see, the wires are visible and that it also has a nail, but that it does not lose air, but that he thinks it may be what would explain those vibrations. In the steering wheel, look. This is the wheel on one side, look, there you can see perfectly all the wear it has, but look at the other wheel, you see that it is even missing pieces of rubber, look. You see, the rubber on the wheel is rapidly decomposing, look. And now to top it off, here you have it to top it off, that is, it hasn't crashed. Because God didn't want it to, because this could have burst long ago. As a client tells us, this man has the guardian angel working overtime. Because so far nothing has happened to him. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, well, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.